overwhelmed? Probably yes, but are you overwhelmed specifically with Feng Shui and where to start? You're hearing wealth corner this, love relationship that, put flowers here, close the toilet seat lid so I don't lose all my money. That's a myth. Well, worry no more, stress no more. This video is going to tell you where the best place to start applying Feng Shui is. This is gonna save you so much time from reading all the different articles, sifting through all the different types of Feng Shui. Just start here, my friends. I'm Jeanette Sizikowski, your go-to Feng Shui consultant. Let's get into it. So you might be a little overwhelmed with where to start on Feng Shui, your bedroom, your wealth corner, your garage, who knows. Well, in this video, I recommend you start at your front door, and not the architectural front door, the front door that you use, you go in and out of, your main point of entry. So it actually might be your garage if you go in through your garage and your garage door. Let's consider that your front door for this video. If it's your side door that you always go in and out of for groceries, for errands, all that, then it's your side door that we're gonna look at today. And if it's actually your front door, then perfect, use your front door. So one of the biggest mistakes I see people making when they're trying to Feng Shui on their own, if they're not working with the consultant, is they're immediately jumping to a wealth corner, a love corner. They're trying to find more money, and they're not looking at the area that they use so often, like every day, multiple times a day. In Feng Shui, when you go in and out of a door or when you open and close a window, that's letting energy in. If you're going in and out of a door, that's interacting with that door, that energy, that's activating that energy. You're using the energy in that direction. And so when you activate that energy, you kind of want to know what's there. In classical Feng Shui, we have a little calculation that considers time, direction, and form, and we can see, we as the classical Feng Shui consultants, we can see what energy is coming in those doors, if they're good to be using, if there's a better door to be using. But when you're doing this Feng Shui stuff on your own, you don't know those calculations and all that, and that's okay. So what we look at is, what do you have in that area that you're using a lot? And so today, in this video, to calm your overwhelm, we're starting with the front door. Again, that door that you go in and out of every day, your main door, because this is the area you are likely activating, if not the most, then in the top 3 of the most used areas of your home. So it's important we look at what's going on in that area. So first, what's going on in that area? What's waving you goodbye and welcoming you hello? If you have stuff here that represents something that you need to do, something that you need to clean, something that you need to fix, or something that you're not proud of, that sticks with your subconscious. Every time you leave that door, you think, oh, I have to do that. Oh, I have to clean that. Oh, that screen door is broken. It's been broken for years. Oh, I always trip over that lopsided wood panel when I'm leaving the door. It sticks with you throughout the day. When you trip over that loose panel in the floor, you get angry and it stays with you through the day. When you come in, you think, ugh, I'm so tired from work, I'm so tired from errands, I don't want to have to pay to fix this. I don't want to have to take the time to fix this myself. In classical Feng Shui, the energy that's coming in your door and that you're most affected by, that you're working with, classical Feng Shui consultants can see by running a calculation that considers time, form of your home, the direction it's facing, and what's going on around you. But that's a little bit advanced for the people that are doing it themselves, and chances are you're not here trying to work on your Feng Shui because you're moving. So the biggest thing that can change, the biggest energetic thing that is affecting your health, wealth, and happiness is you. So your energies and your feelings towards your home make a huge difference when it comes to whether or not you will see health, wealth, and happiness. Your energy about your space, if it's in a good mood or in a bad mood, affects the outcome of the energy. So create an entry point or a front door area that you enjoy, that you are proud of. So first, keep this area organized. Keep this area organized in the sense that, like, yes, you can have coats, you can have shoes, but is it easy for you to walk in and out? Because your energy is very similar to how actual energy flows in. So like if the screen door is broken or always creaks and it annoys you, or it's just kind of off kilter, or you have like a little stone in the pavement right there, or wood panel in your floor that's up that you always trip over. Like, you want it to be easy to take your energy in and out, and you also want it, this like energy that you can't see, you want it to be able to flow in and out nice and smoothly and not irritate it. So yes, keep the shoes organized, keep the coats organized. You don't want to be climbing over piles of paper and piles of shoes and piles of to-dos, right? Because that's just those reminders, those annoyances. Like, just do them and fix this area up. Because again, we are focusing on the area that you use most, if not most, the most often in your home, the door that you use. And when you leave, you want to be leaving proud, and when you come in, you want to be happy to be home. You want that mood, your feelings and emotions to stay high vibe and good spirits, because you're taking that out into the world and you're bringing it back. So if you're leaving every day cursing at the piles of shoes and the broken screen door, that's going to carry into your work relationships, who you meet at the grocery store. It's going to carry into your day-to-day. The next thing you can do is place something here that you're proud of, whether it's a college diploma. It doesn't matter how long ago you went to college, you still worked really hard for it, you maybe paid your way through school, and it's important to put that up and remind yourself you've overcome things. Or maybe it's a recent business accolade that you got, or certification that you got, or a recent award that you won. Even if it's just a like punch card where you have one more punch to get a free sandwich, or one more punch to get a coffee. Like, that's exciting. That's like, oh yeah, I can take this out into my day and get a free coffee today, you know? Leave something there that is nice, uplifting, it makes you happy about something, maybe a wedding picture even, like, I love my husband, I love my wife, look how great we look. You know, you want something by that door that's uplifting. Again, because you want to be in good spirits, good moods, good energy when you go out into the world, so that you attract positive people, opportunities, money, and all the good things. And the last thing you can do is treat yourself to something nice and new. Treat yourself to maybe a new welcome mat, nice 2 pots to flank either side of the doors, or maybe just some nice colorful flowers, or a new wreath on the front of your door. But invest in this area something simple and nice, knowing that you deserve it, you're enough, you've got this, all the money is coming your way, all the love is already with you. And yeah, when you look at that, you're like, oh, I just like this new thing, I'm proud of this door, I'm proud of my home, and this makes me smile. Simply keep it nice. Starting here with applying Feng Shui, whether it be your garage door that's your main point of entry, or your actual main door, or this side door that you use every day, that area, because you're using it so frequently, you're activating the energy in that area so frequently, this is a great place to start. And by simply keeping it nice, dressing it up, every day you're reminded when you leave and when you come back to stay in good spirits, know that energy is on your side, you are ready to take on the world, you're positive, you're a go-getter, you're smart, good things are always happening to you, and it's a great reminder right here at this door. When you're in a good mood, you're feeling positive, you're feeling optimistic, you have a good mindset, you have a patient, calm, good mindset going out into the world, those emotions get mixed with your home. Whatever you take out, you mix with the world, you mix it all up, and then you bring that all back into your home, and it mixes with your home, and sometimes it stays. So you want that interaction, that exchange to always be good, because that interaction of energy is what creates these opportunities for more health, more wealth, and more happiness. So to recap, make it really easy to get in and out of those doors, clear the clutter, fix the things that you need to fix. Put something at those entry points that you are proud of, that you like to see. And lastly, treat yourself to something nice that makes you feel expensive or important, or that you're just excited to own a home. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video if you enjoyed it, even just a little bit. Comment below which tip that you are excited to use the most, 1, 2, or 3. And if you're new to this channel, then subscribe and hit the notification bell so that it alerts you when more Feng Shui and mindset tip videos come out, so that you can transform a life that you tolerate into one you treasure.